In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email templates in Pipedrive for automations. We're going to walk through the exact process of building a reusable email template so that later you can plug it straight into your automations and stop rewriting the same messages over and over again. First, head into Pipedrive and look for the Mail tab at the top of your screen. Go ahead and click on Mail and then select New Email. This is the same place you'd normally go to send a one-off email, but we're going to use it as our starting point for creating a template. Inside the new email window, look for the option that says Choose Template. Click on that, and instead of picking an existing one, select Manage Templates. This will open up the area where all of your templates live. Here, you'll see an option that says Add New Template. Click that to create a brand new template from scratch. Now it's time to build the core of your template. Start with the subject line. Think about something that makes sense every time this automation runs. For example, you might have a subject like, Welcome to our service, or Following up on our recent conversation. Remember, this subject will be reused automatically, so keep it clear and relevant. Next, move down into the body of the email. This is where you write the main message your contacts will receive. As you're typing, make use of merge tags for personalization. Merge tags let Pipedrive automatically pull in information like the contact's first name, organization, or deal details. Instead of writing hi there, you can use a merge tag so the email says hi, followed by the person's actual name. This small touch can make automated emails feel much more personal. When you're happy with the subject and body, double-check for spelling, make sure your merge tags are correctly inserted, and confirm that the message still makes sense if any optional fields are missing. Once everything looks good, click Save. This stores your template so you can reuse it as often as you like. From this point on, whenever you create an automation in Pipedrive that includes an email step, you'll be able to select this template from the template list. That means your workflow can automatically send out a polished, personalized email every time the automation is triggered, saving you time and keeping your communication consistent.